Good morning, guys. Science Bellwork, Week 6, Day 5. Remember, today is pretty much the review day for what we've been over throughout the week with Bellwork, and I will be collecting Bellwork this week, so make sure you have all 5 days in that Science Bellwork Week 6 note before you submit it. Let's go ahead and go through Part A, and then we'll move on to Part B. Follow along, make corrections if you need to. So Part A wants us to use the words in the word bank to complete the paragraph. A match blank when substances on the match tip combine with oxygen in the air. Well, we know that when you strike that match tip, it will catch fire when it reacts with oxygen in the air, along with those substances. So I would say that we should use ignites would be the best word to fit in that blank. Early matches used substances that were too blank, which resulted in sudden, unexpected blank of the matches. I would say substances that were too reactive, and when they reacted too easily, that resulted in those matches being able to combust or combustion of those matches. In order to create a safe and effective match, inventors needed to find reactants that were more, so it's either stable, friction, or irreversible. I would say stable would be the best fit. But these reactants didn't light as easily, so one inventor had the idea of using blank to momentarily heat the substances to start the reaction. It's either irreversible or friction. We know friction can cause thermal energy, so friction would be the best fit. This is because the reaction is irreversible. Be the last one. Part B, name 2 ways that people tried to make matches safer. One way, if you recall from this week's Bellwork, they used more stable reactants. And then they also physically separated the reactants. That's where they had one substance on the match tip and then the other on the side of the matchbox for you to strike the match. There you have it. There's your Science Bellwork, Week 6, Day 5. Again, make sure you have all 5 days in one note before you submit. Hopefully you've made your corrections, and have a good day, guys.